Good afternoon, students. I am Professor G.D. Padil, Assistant Professor, Department of Processing, Food Engineering, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Our course title is Post Harvest Technology of Agriculture Crops, course code Engine 232. Today we are going to study on important terms and problems occurring during harvesting, threshing, transport, drying, storage, milling, and marketing. The last lecture we had already discussed about post harvest technology, but also important term in today's lecture. First is agriculture processing. Agriculture processing is defined as an activity which is performed to maintain or improve the quality of the product, the production. Also, to change the form or characteristics of an agriculture product. The generally main aim of the agriculture processing is to minimize the qualitative and quantitative deteriorations of the agriculture product after harvest. These operations are undertaken to add value to agriculture materials after their production. A processing job consists of series of unit operations. The sequence of processing operations may be broadly classified as cleaning, grading, and sorting, then drying and rehydration, then storage, then milling, handling, packaging, and transportation, and also agricultural waste and byproduct utilization. The first important term in unit operation is cleaning. It is the removal of foreign and undesirable matters from the desired grains or products. The cleaning is the process of removal of undesirable matter or foreign matters from the desired grains of products. Okay, means harvesting by combined harvesters means number of machines used to harvest the crops. Okay, that time number of contaminants mix in the grains of products. Okay, so these contaminants, undesirable contaminants such as common weed seed, noxious weed seed, or the variety seed, or the crop seed, broken seed, off size seed. Okay, these materials removed from the grains or products. Okay, this is called as cleaning. Grading. It refers to the classification of clean product into various quality fractions depend upon various commercial values and other uses. Okay, the grading कसं करतो आपण क्लासिफिकेशन करतो प्रॉडक्टचं आपण ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कमर्शियल व्हॅल्यूज अँड अदर युजेस मीन्स क्वालिटी प्रॉडक्टचं आपण क्लासिफिकेशन करतो ओके depending upon the various commercial values and other uses. This is called as grading. Then sorting. Sorting means separation of clean product into various quality fractions on the basis of size, shape, density, texture and color. Okay. So sorting कसं करतो आपण ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साईज शेप असेल टेक्चर असेल कलर असेल ओके sort the product okay into various quality fractions. This process is called as sorting. Then next term is drying. It is a process of removal of moisture from the grains and other products up to predetermined level. Another similar terms as a drying is dehydration. Dehydration is the process of removal of moisture from the grains up to very low level, usually as bone dry condition. Okay, तर ड्राईंग आणि डिहायड्रेशन जर डिफरन्स बघितला याच्यामध्ये तर ड्राईंग आपण moisture content removed from the product up to predetermined level. Okay, not completely removed from the product. But dehydration is the process of removal of moisture from the product up to very low level, usually as bone dry condition, means complete water removed from the grains or products. This process is called dehydration. But in drying, moisture removed from product up to predetermined level. Okay. Then next term is storage. The storage, it is an interim and repeated phase during transit of agriculture products from producer to processor and its products from processor to consumer. Okay, generally from packaging is done. Okay, then storage of products. The first phase during transit of agriculture products from producer to processor and its product from processor to consumer. Okay, this is called as storage. Then milling. The milling is general trade name which normally means reduction of food grain into various end products like meal, flour, spreaded products. Okay, the milling is a size reduction of the grains of the product. Okay, reduce the size to various end products like meal, flour, and spreaded products. This process is called as milling process. Then, what are the problems? Means problems occurring during harvesting, threshing, storage, milling, and marketing. Generally, post-harvest technology starts with harvesting and continues through threshing, cleaning, drying, transport, and various steps in marketing, milling, distribution to consumers, and handling by ultimate consumer. Okay. Generally, problems arise post-harvest technology will include the following. First, problems during harvesting. The paddy is not harvested at the optimum time, resulting in large losses in quality and quantity. जर बघितलं आपण तर हार्वेस्टिंग ॲट optimum time, okay, means generally moisture contain up to 20 to 22%, okay, that time increase the yield of the rice, okay, increase the yield of the product, but not harvested at the optimum time, resulting in large losses in quality and quantity also. Generally, reference in South India, TR8 variety showed 22% field losses and 2% reduction in milling yield due to improper and delayed harvesting. Okay, the machines like the combines and reapers are being introduced to harvest paddy at an appropriate stage to reduce the losses. Okay, तर आपण harvesting केली at proper time. Okay, so means mature the crops. Also, moisture content at the time of harvesting is 20 to 22%. Okay, to reduce the losses during harvesting. Okay, then next, problems during threshing occurring during threshing. So generally in India, few part of India, threshing is done by bullocks, tractors, and by hand, generally resulting in poor drying, storage, and milling caused mainly by impurities and moisture in the paddy. Okay, this results in more losses of good grain and leads to more losses to the farmers and grains for the middlemen or traders. However, the multi-crop thresher have been developed and are being introduced. These machines may reduce these losses. Okay, आपण threshing करतो by bullocks, tractors, and by hand. Okay, also resulting in poor drying, storage facilities, milling. Okay, that time mainly impurities and moisture in the paddy. Okay, that time more losses to the farmers and grains for the middleman or traders. Okay, these losses may reduce by using multi-crop threshers developed and being introduced. Okay, then third problem occurring during transport. When poor transport facilities, okay, their losses to the farmers, millers, and eventually food grain to the country, sometimes as much as 2 to 3% losses during transport. Okay, the transport facility तुमची poor असेल, okay, that time loss to farmer, millers, also eventually food grain to the country. Okay, generally 2 to 3% loss in transport. Then drying. Okay, the in traditionally farmer use करतो sun drying. Okay, for drying of product after harvesting, but sun drying methods cause more breakage of grain than any other factor, resulting in the low head yields and low milling yields. Okay, also undried paddy in storage deteriorates rapidly. Farmers the undried paddy, not completely dried paddy stored, okay, that time deteriorates rapidly, deteriorates paddy. Okay, also sun drying practices incur substantial physical losses both to farmer and to the millers. With the introduction of heated air dryers, the losses at the millers level have been reduced considerably. जर आपण तेच instead of sun drying method using heated air dryers, okay, that time reduce the losses. Okay, also these devices have to be introduced in the rural areas at the community laying centers so that the paddy growers can take advantage of it. Okay, also problems occurring during storage. Poor storage practices and facilities are both costly and carry losses up to 10% in some cases. As an example, one state in India which purchased paddy always allows a 10% loss to the man storing paddy for the government. Also, unclean wet paddy accounts for the largest losses during storage. जर आपण wet paddy unclean केलेला paddy जर store केला, okay, so there is largest losses during storage. Also, these losses followed by these losses due to rodents, birds, moles, fungus, insects, and field pellets. Okay, generally during storage, grains losses due to rodents, birds, mold, fungus, and insects. Okay, also problems occurring during milling. So this is also important term, milling. Traditional equipment is still used, which has the lowest milling recovery of any mechanical equipment. Part of the paddy in Asia is still milled in steel hulls, which is average 6 to 8% loss and less total rice recovery than the most modern equipment, and with less head rice recovery. Okay, However, with modernization of rice milling industry and by replacing hullers with about 10,000 modern mills by the end of 1993, the milling losses have been reduced and the quality improved. So generally, जर बघितलं आपण recently olden days traditional equipment is used for milling. That time lowest milling recovery. Also have a 6 to 8% and less total rice recovery than most modern equipment. Okay. Then recently modernization of rice milling industry and by replacing hullers with about 10,000 modern mills by the end of 1993, the milling losses have been reduced and the quality also improved by milling. When rice making, okay, due to inadequate paddy and rice graders and also market information inadequate, traders and millers take advantage of the helplessness of the farmers as well as the rice consumer. Okay, the farmerला market information माहीत नसेल. Okay, also inadequate information about paddy, rice graders, millers. That type traders and millers take advantage of helplessness of the farmers as well as the rice consumers. Often poor quality rice is sold to consumer at high profit to the middleman and at higher prices than the good quality rice in the other areas. Okay, म्हणजे poor quality rice sold to consumers, okay, and gain higher profit as compared to good quality rice in other areas. Okay, also inadequate graders lead to many corrupt practices resulting in large losses to the governments. Generally, the marketing, okay, number of losses to the farmers as well as consumers, okay, means not complete information about markets, prices of paddy, so quality of paddy, rice. That time traders and millers take advantage of helplessness of the farmers as well as consumers. Okay, that time traders and millers poor quality rice is sold to consumers and farmers at a high profit. Okay, also higher prices than good quality rice in other areas. So this is more losses to government, also farmers and consumer. So these problems generally occurring during number of processes: threshing, harvesting, storage, milling, okay, drying. So thank you, students. Our topic is over.